आप इतना अच्छा कैसे डांस करते हो?
प्रोड्यूसर अच्छा पेमेंट दिया सर. I'm joking. No.
Well, you float like anything on floor, sir. Uh, क्या बोलना चाहोगे about the movie? What would you like to address, sir?
Welcome Delhi Press. Thank you so much for coming here. Means a lot to have all your support. Coming to your question, sorry.
So about the movie, what would you like to tell the press?
I mean, it's everything what Bowman sir said, Divyendu said, and Janvi said. And I would just add to that, saying, like Janvi said, बहुत शिद्दत से काम किया है. हम लोग very sincerely
Right.
we worked, and I'm so fortunate to have a very sincere producer, a very sincere director, and the legend, Mr. A.R. Rahman and Bowman sir, Divyendu. It is, I mean, this won't happen if it's planned. I think it's a very divine intervention that all this happened, and like knowingly or unknowingly, we worked very, very sincerely for the last 2.5 years, and it's a good film. End of the day, it's a great entertainer. Yes, it has some uplifting moments. It'll inspire you, and like my producer said, please go with children. I don't know the impact it will have on them, but it will not disappoint them. You will be happy that you've taken your children to this film.
Right. Sir, as Baban sir also said कि जो talent है वो ऐसी ऐसी जगह पे छुपा हुआ है कि हम जानते ही नहीं हैं. And this movie highlights कि talent बहुत छोटे से एक गांव district से भी आ सकता है. So what would you like to say? क्योंकि obviously you traveled a lot इस movie के shoot पर भी आपने अलग-अलग states अलग-अलग countries में भी shoot किया है. So what would you like to tell people कि ये जो talent है, जो इतना talent इंडिया में छुपा हुआ है, इसको बाहर निकालने की भी कितनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है?
I mean, the films that we are making in the South have changed. It's not very urban driven. True. It's completely Mittika stories. All the 3 films I've done, which are really done very well in the box office, all are Hamara Mittika stories.
Right.
Like Bowman sir said, they're not in the cities. They're maybe in the villages, the towns. They're super talented. Our archery team of India, all the archers of India are from a tribals. They're
Okay.
tribals.
Wow.
Inherently, they have that talent of, bow and arrow. So none of them have come from the cities and the YMCAs. They have come from the tribals. So
True.
it is nice that some chairmen of archery have found that talent in the villages and the tribal clan. Like that in West Bengal, there is the most famous, Praveen, उनका नाम क्या है? West Bengal में वो stadium भी बनाया था ना? Mohammed? हाँ. So I was in Delhi last time. I was meeting Mr. Modi and I told him, he asked me, what is this film about?
Yeah.
I said,